Next, let's explain the installation method of SG series sensors. First, insert the clamp of the SG sensor. Align the tab of the SG cable. Tighten. Align the other end of the cable clamp with the SG controller clamp. Tighten. Then connect the power to the SG controller. Open SG imaging measurement software. Search for the IP address of the sensor. Connecting sensors. You can see the measurement value of the current sensor. Disconnect sensor connection. Using the Network Debugging Assistant to connect sensors. Set the sensor IP and port number that needs to be connected. Sending instructions with Network Debugging Assistant. You can see the measurement value of the current sensor.